Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a shopkeeper sells his articles at a discount of 4% and also offers one article free for purchase of every 15 articles, and thus he gains 35%, and thus he gains 35%. Here the question is by what percent above the cost price the article was marked. See friends, say cost price 100, sold price 135. Friends, say market price X. Friends, in first discount, he gives a cash discount of 4%. So after first discount, the selling price will be 96%, 96 by 100. And the second discount is he offers one article free for every purchase of 15 articles. That means for every purchase of for every 16 articles, one article is free. For every 16 articles, one article is free. So 1 by 16 is the second discount. 1 by 16 discount means selling price will be 1 minus 1 by 16, 15 by 16. So after these two discounts, the selling price becomes 135. Friends, 15 ones, 15 nines, 16 ones, 16 sixes. So x is equal to 900 by 6. X is equal to 900 by 6. This is equal to 150. So friends, cost price 100, market price 150. So the market price is 50% above the cost price, friends. Market price is 50% above the cost price. Thank you.